The young girl finds her grandfather in his study and she goes to him and she says, "Granddad, Mommy told me I should ask you about the two wolves. Please tell me about the two wolves." And he says, "Certainly. You see, I have two wolves inside of me. We all have two wolves inside of us. They are fighting constantly. It is a vicious battle. One wolf is evil. He is bitterness. He is greed. He is malice. He is anger. He is rage. He is sorrow. He is despair. He is vindictiveness. He is jealousy and envy and revenge. He sees himself as hopeless and helpless, as having no power in this world, no agency, except for his bitter rage. He sees everyone around him as worse than he is, and he sees himself as a victim of everyone and everything. While the other wolf is good. He is love, he is compassion, he is generosity, he is grace. He sees everyone and everything around him as possessing good. He is hope. He is sympathy. He is empathy. He is potential. He is light in this world. Yet, because the other wolf is so bitter, so enraged, he must fight to defend himself. And the girl's chin had fallen open. Her eyes were dilated. She was transfixed. And she asked, "Granddad, which wolf wins? Which wolf wins?" And he leaned in and he answered, "Whichever one you feed, my darling." Be good to yourself, folks.